太慢了。
Hello everyone, get ready for a fresh mix of hilarious fails, awkward mistakes, unexpected reactions, and perfectly timed funny moments caught on camera. Some scenes may surprise you, while others will be impossible not to laugh at, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the fun.
Yeah.
女人反应太慢了。
The basket said no, and the ball came back to add one more insult. That sandwich really said, who needs meat when you have construction materials?
Ahora. Vale.
I tried following a trail.
The hill kept pulling her forward, and the brakes clearly missed the meeting.
Foi dito e feito.
Her focus stayed on the ball, while her foot accidentally found him instead.
Oswaldinho.
She was supposed to be the only one going in, then everyone joined the splash party.
Mate.
The soda reacted instantly and turned the bottle into a full foam volcano. The moment her balance disappeared, the bushes became the final landing spot. The fall looked startling, though she seemed to avoid anything too serious afterward. The bowler released the ball, lost balance for a moment, and slipped right onto the lane. That farm visit quickly turned into the fastest cardio session of his life. That bite was way too ambitious. Then the cream shot out before she could handle it. That bite was way too ambitious. Then the cream shot out before she could handle it.
Okay, right up. One.
She made a fast move for the exit, and the slippery ground turned it into a sudden fall. One quick move to adjust her shoe turned into a backward slip. The band slipped out suddenly, and the rebound caught her completely off guard. She tried to keep up, but the dog clearly had a much stronger plan.
There's a bunch, guys.
يلا بن عمي يلا.
She went for the fun jump, while the inflatable surface made the landing much harder.
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. And right now, you can...
She was pulling up like the workout was going smoothly, then the band slipped loose. She trusted the swivel chair for 1 second, and it let her down immediately. The slippery edge caught him off guard, and he went down into the water. He barely got onto the treadmill before it sent him slipping away. She came down that muddy slide like she had booked herself a full spa treatment. I was still in sleep mode, and the clamp gave him a very quick wake-up call.
Sorry.
The slippery surface sent her down before she had time to react.
Huh?
She wanted a graceful jump into the pool, but one slip sent her straight in. He stepped onto the slick dirt and slipped before he could catch himself. That hit was supposed to score points, then the hammer gave him a bonus surprise. The chair got yanked away, and she slid right off while trying to stay classy.
We're gonna snap the band.
No, you're not.
Her balance gave out for a moment, and she slipped right down.
Todas las bendiciones del mundo, vaya con Dios. Swing, abanica, alimenta.
I was not looking where he was going, then walked straight into it and fell. She stepped up onto the table, then quickly lost her footing and went down. He tripped unexpectedly and dropped to the ground before he could recover. He came in quietly, stole the sandal, and disappeared like a tiny furry thief. The thunder hit without warning, and she wasted no time getting out. The moment he sat on it, the chain gave out and left him completely frozen.
Ow. I could just...
Thanks for watching. We hope these funny fails and unexpected moments made you laugh. Tell us which scene was your favorite, and we'll see you in the next video.